Friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Arelees and I love baking treats and cooking up eats. Today, I'll be making some rice and peas with a twist. I'll be using some lentil, which is very healthy. It's rich in fiber and also good for your heart. So friends, let's get started. Friends, here I have my rice, my lentil that I've been soaking overnight. I have a green onion stalk, I have 2 cloves of garlic, some dry thyme, and of course I have my Scotch bonnet pepper. I have here, I'm not advertising for Grace, but I have here some coconut powder, which I'll be using in the rice. I have here some salt, and I'm going to be adding a bit of adobo, and this is just for seasoning. You can add whatever you want to your rice, but I'm just using a little bit of adobo and some salt with my seasoning. And first I'll be adding my lentils to my pot. Then I'll be adding my green onion, my garlic, and my dry thyme. So I'll let those cook together before I add the pepper, because we do not want the pepper to be too hot that we can't eat it. So I let that cook for a bit. Then I'll be adding the rest of the seasoning and then the rice. I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning. So I'm adding the coconut powder, I'm just going to stir that around a bit. Look how beautiful that is looking. So friends, I use the powder. This is what I have today, but normally you can use the coconut milk. You can grate your fresh coconut, juice it and make your milk. It works as well. Actually, it works better, but I'm using the powder because that's what I have today. So now I'm going to be adding a bit of salt. And you can add your salt to your taste. I'm adding a bit of the adobo. And now I am going to drop my Scotch bonnet pepper. It's already washed. And now for my rice, which I have already washed also. Move it from the high burner to the medium. And I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. Yeah, just to my taste. And it's looking good. You can still see the pepper. I try not to break the pepper in there. Yeah. Friends, now that the rice or the lentil rice is finished cooking, this is how fluffy it is. Look at that. Friends, this is the end result of the lentil, rice, and peas. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and friends, God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next one.